Hello, welcome to Oltu Academy. In this tutorial, we want to introduce you to the method of earning money online automatically. But before starting the tutorial, subscribe to our channel and press the notification button. The site that I want to introduce to you today is a link shortener, in that you enter your link in this site and send the shortened link to people. When they click on your link, the site will pay you a fee. Here we can see the payment rate. Canada, England, USA and Australia have the highest payment. All countries pay the other $2. Click on Sign Up to fill out this form, which is a simple form, then we can enter our management dashboard. When you enter your management dashboard, you can easily shorten your link in this section, and when people click on your link, you will earn money. There are also different ways to pay. I want to teach you a very good method that you can use to create very good traffic on good links. We must first look for the most popular topics in the world. To do this, go to the Explore section on YouTube. The game is one of the most popular titles in the world. Copy the link of this video, and then shorten it. One of the ways to generate effective and targeted traffic on links is to use forums. I want to introduce you to two very good game forums, steamcommunity.com and moot.us. The important thing about forums is that you are not allowed to post links in forums very quickly. And in every type you enter, you should first discuss and then introduce your links to people. If you publish your links too quickly, your account will be closed. Smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.